Welcome to Las Vegas, the city of sin and the entertainment capital of the world. We've recently spent 4 nights here exploring what this town has to offer, from luxury dining to interesting ways of touring the strip. Feel free to subscribe, get notified when a new video drops, and join us for the ride.